post using hashtag CES 2020.
Alexa, order Coke Energy.
Roses are red, berries are blue. I'm obviously not a poet, but here's some Coke Energy for you. History transfers the most energy. The conductor. Cha-ching. Over the lips, over the gums, look out stomach. Here the energy comes. Enjoy. They say I'm a real jolt of electricity at events like these. Guilty as charged. Zing! What do you call a Coke Energy presentation? A PowerPoint. Whoopsie-daisy. That was embarrassing. Let's try that again. You got it, dude. What do you get when you eat cookies in bed? Crummy sleep. Hey now, here's something to add a little pep to your step. It's like Ron Burgundy in a can. Wake up Las Vegas. Stay classy. Ask me that when my shift is over. Here's Coke Energy instead. Well, you've got great taste. Order up.
Alright, I'm in the Ride to Win cab. Let's see how smart I am. Alexa, open Ride to Win.
Thanks for playing Ride to Win. You will be given 15 multiple choice questions. If you are a passenger in the Ride to Win taxi in Las Vegas, you will win prizes for answering questions 1, 5, 10, and 15 correctly. Even if you come up short, the ride is still on me. 1 to 4 players can play. How many are playing?
1.
Is this guessed?
Yes.
Let's start. Answer quickly until you get 3 wrong. To undo an answer, say undo. Question. Which is the largest desert in the world? Is the answer 1. Gobi, 2. Great Victoria, 3. Patagonian, or 4. Sahara?
4.
That's right. You now have 2 points. It is the largest hot desert in the world, and the 3rd largest desert overall after Antarctica and the Arctic. Its area of 3,600,000 square miles is comparable to the area of China or the United States. Which 2 planets are most similar in diameter? Is the answer 1. Mars and Mercury, 2. Uranus and Neptune, 3. Jupiter and Saturn, or 4. Venus and Earth?
4.
That's right. You now have 5 points. Often called Earth's sister planet, Venus is the closest in size, with a mass of more than 80% that of our planet and a diameter of only a few miles less. Is the answer 1. United States, 2. Canada, 3. New Zealand, or 4. Peru?
Canada.
Correct. You now have 3 points. Hawaiian pizza is a pizza topped with tomato sauce, cheese, pineapple, and
right, so here's the Echo Auto.
Hello.
Where's your whisk? Where's the whisk?
I'll just use my hand. Where's my whisk? Hello, everybody. How you doing? Want me to use this one?
This whisk? He has a big whisk. He has a whisk. He has a whisk that looks like a wiffle ball bat. He just had it backstage.
There's plenty to bring it. Stir it.
Give it a little stir there.
Okay.
Shaq, let's see. So Shaq and I are co-conspirators on a variety of things. Have you seen the Carnival Cruise Line? Have you seen this commercial?
You're doing great.
Best commercial on TV.
Rocking this.
All right, hold tight, Shaq. You're gonna melt all my ice. Do me a favor.
You want me to drink it?
That or don't pour it on me.
I'm a role model. I don't drink.
Hey, we'll give it to the. You gonna pass it over? Oh, you got it. That's all you.
Drink it. So
I saw what he poured into it.
I want you to drink it so I can take a picture. Fire Stick CEO gets drunk. It's really good.
But I think what you were recommending is a little bit more tequila.
Would you like me?
Don't you think? I think you should. He makes it look like one of the airplane bottles.
That's good. That's good. The whole thing?
Keep it going.
Actually, that's
Look
a long.
who's here. Some of your best friends that won't remember this.
Actually, I don't want people to get drunk and something happen to them. You do it. So the lawsuits come your way.
That's exactly how you. Come on, a little round of applause for the boss. Woo! Captain.
All right, stir some more.
Okay.
Where's my friends from Ring at? Yeah. All right. Everybody here have Ring?
Oh yeah.
You like the new integration with Alexa? All right.
All right, let me see here.
Jamie Siminoff, what's up, buddy?
All right, Matt, you seem to be the most enthusiastic in the front row. Absolutely. And I'm not allowed to do this because we're not supposed to serve
I'll give
alcohol.
it to him.
You got it?
But I need crowd participation. Matt. Put the camera away, Matt. No evidence. Matt.